Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Kamosumaga magdiro odiochieng' janeno mar Color TV kamora mora maintie ageno ni weekend mari no dhi yunendo makare ka bende an gi geno ni chako kan juma mari manyien e yunendo manyanga odiochieng' makono ni mar wuok tich tarik 4 dwe mar 5 higa mar 2026 asemolo kaendi mar mondo mi weche manyien yo mar adimba kidieny mar diero odiochieng' jaloko marwa en David Abila nyinga Tracy Ouma rwakini machiegni. Jatend piny Kenya Migosi William Samoei Ruto okwero kanyo siasa mapacho kaendi mondo koyie to gol weche giko mag siasa e weche giko mag somo kane loso e kinde nyasi mar Alame kanisa moro Murang'a. Ruto oyango kanyo eko ni omenda mag somo nochwal e sikunde e kinde mabende pok noyawo sikunde mopogore kanyo gi kaka jogo eko mabende koro obalo kod sirikal mare lieko ni omenda mag somo pok ochwal e sikunde nyaka gi kinde niendi.
Mimi nataka niwaeleze wale wanaongea mambo mingi. Pesa ya first term tulituma first term. Pesa ya second term tumetuma second term. Ile imebaki kabla ya third term kufunguliwa tutatuma pesa ya watoto wetu. We have made it deliberate. Haijafanyika siku ingine. Unajua siasa hii Kenya ni mingi na watu wa kuongea ni wengi. Lakini watu wa kufanya kazi ni wachache. Wale wa maneno mingi ndio wanajaza maneno katika airwaves, mitandao na kule kwingine. But those ones, they don't bother us because we know what we are doing. Na kwa hivyo na wauliza wale wote stakeholders ya mashule yetu tuweke masomo ya watoto wetu kipaumbele. Na tuhakikishe ya kwamba zile pesa zote tumetoa kama serikali zinatumika kwa njia ya sawa. Na mimi nataka niwashukuru Board of Management of Schools wafanye kazi pamoja na walimu so that we can better serve the children of Kenya kwa kuhakikisha kwamba wanapata elimu ya sawa.
Kinde mago bende pode timore mane kara Alama chiele kaunti no ma Murang'a. Piny owacho singo kanyo eko mar biro chalo kit dongruoge ma opogore e piny Kenya mangima ka bende oyangore kanyo ni omenda mar gero laptuke 2 ma kaunti ma Murang'a bende ni osechiw.
Na mimi nawashukuru sana kwa sababu nyinyi ni watu wale wanasemekana mnaweza kusoma barua hata kabla haijatoka ndani ya bahasha. Si nyinyi mnafuatilia maendeleo? Si mnataka tujenge barabara? Tuunganishe stima? Tuwe na mpango ya affordable housing? Tuwe na mpango ya matibabu? That's what we want. Ama namna gani jameni? Si ndio? Kila mtu, hata Biblia inasema kila mtu atabeba mzigo yake. Nyinyi kama watu wa hapa Murang'a, si kila kiongozi anapimwa na ile kazi amefanya? Kuna mtu anapimiwa matusi. Kuna mtu anapimiwa mambo ya ukabila. Kuna mtu anapimiwa mambo ya chuki. Kila mtu apimiwe na ile kazi amefanya. Kama umejenga kanisa, kama umejenga barabara, umeunganisha stima, umepanga mambo ya kilimo, umesomesha watoto wetu, umepanga mambo ya afya, hapo kila mtu ndio atafanya nini? Atapimiwa na kazi yake. Na ndio hata wale wanashindana na sisi, mimi nimewaambia hakuna haja ya ugomvi, hakuna haja ya matusi, hakuna haja ya chuki, hakuna haja ya ukabila. Nyinyi leteni scorecard yenu. Mimi nitalete scorecard yangu. Hawa wananchi wataamua. Si ni kweli? Yes. Yule amejenga barabara, akuje na barabara ile amejenga. Mimi nitakuja na ile nimefanya. Shule waamue walete ile shule wamepanga. Mimi nitakuja na yangu. That's how we are going to move the country forward. Na Kenya hii, nataka niwahakikishie watu wa Murang'a na Kenya, tutabadilisha Kenya hii kwa miradi na mipango ya maendeleo. Ile hatuwezi kufanya ni makelele, siasa, matusi, chuki, hiyo haiwezi kutusaidia. Lazima tushirikiane, tufanye kazi kwa pamoja, ndio Kenya iweze kwenda mbele. Kwa hivyo mimi nimefurahi sana kufika hapa Murang'a, na nitakuwa hapa tena na tena na tena.
Jatend migawo mag tije piny owacho pacho kae ndi Geoffrey Ruku okwedo malich ma iwuoro weche go eko mosebedo kanyo kae owacho kod kanyo eko Uhuru Kenyatta mabende ni kanyo ker machon mar piny Kenya mosebedo kanyo ka wuoyo kogolo weche go eko manyiso kit achaya ne ker ma pacho kae ndi Migosi William Samuel Ruto. Ruku kendo gik mane loso e kar dak Manjoro okwayo ni ka ber to Uhuru Kenyatta otegre kanyo kod siasa ma pacho kae ndi to bende onyis luoro moromo ne ker ma thur kae ndi Migosi William Samuel Ruto.
Lakini lazima tuko na jukumu ya kuhakikisha kwamba serikali yetu na taifa letu la Kenya inasimama imara. Na tumeona na tumesoma, tumeenda shule, tumesoma sawa sawa. Tunajua mataifa ya Afrika ambayo imekuwa na mizozo ya vita, ambayo uchumi yake imeharibika wakati viongozi wakuu wameanza kupigana. Mimi nimesikia jana mheshimiwa kiongozi ambaye tulimpenda tukampatia nafasi ya kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, jana anakasifu serikali ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Jameni, namuomba kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, wewe tulikupatia nafasi kwa kuwa kiongozi wetu wa taifa miaka 10. Jambo ya ustaarabu ni kama ile Moi na Kibaki walifanya wakati walikuwa wamestaafu. Kazi yao ilikuwa kusaidia rais yule ambaye alikuwa katika kiti. We expect you as the retired president to advise and to support the sitting end of state. Hiyo kiti ni ya Wakenya wote. Kenya ikienda vibaya jameni, tutaumia zote. Hakuna ambaye ako na spare ya inji ambayo inaitwa Kenya. Na viongozi ambaye wameheshimika katika hii dunia yetu ya Kenya na Afrika ni viongozi ambao tulikuwa tumechagua kama rais wa taifa. Kwa hivyo, rais ambaye amestaafu Uhuru Kenyatta sio kiongozi hivi hivi. Huyo ni kiongozi ambaye anatambulika katika Kenya, anatambulika katika Afrika na dunia. Na akiamuka atamuke maneno ambayo sio sawa sawa, ambayo hailingani na msingi wa kuongoza nchi yetu ya Kenya. Jameni, tunaelekea hii Kenya yetu inaelekea mahali mbaya.
Senator Manandi Samson Cherargei ogudonde piny kwayo kanyo duol mochung' ndi ko jopuonj tich pacho kae ndi mano TSC mondo koyie to ndike tich jopuonj maromo kanyo 44 mago mag interns. Owacho kendo kanyo eko ni piny mar Kenya ni kanyo kod nok mag jopuonje. Kuom mano sirikal onego bed ni neno kaka ndiko tich yonendo maongirore jopuonj go eko mag junior secondary.
William Ruto in the last 3 years is hired 130 teachers. Now I want to thank the president. Now we support hii budget iko increase even to 1 trillion Kenya shillings. So that wale watoto wanaenda grade 11 na wale wengine, they must be ensured there is a proper transition. But PS, kitu yenye nataka nishukuru na uambie rais is the confirmation into permanent and pensionable of 44,000 JSS teachers. Na mimi, my position has never changed. The ruling of the High Court was very clear that 44,000 teachers under junior secondary school must and should be confirmed pronto in permanent and pensionable ndio aweze kusaidia watoto wetu katika mashule. So hii mambo ya contract, ambia TSC wawache hiyo mchezo ya kalongolongo, wahakikishe hao watoto wamewekwa ndani, wafunze watoto wetu waishi kama binadamu.
On the first executive order was to increase the number of enrollment of teachers from the number that it was by 110,000 in number in the county. And today as we speak, another batch of JSS of 20,000 in NLM floated. In 3 years. And then you want to tell us that the economy is not working. How then an unworking economy can support recruitment of 130,000 teachers? This is something that we must speak and tell the naysayers and pessimists. Your time is up. Look for other ways of critiquing this government or planning to defeat this government. This is the only government that is able to resonate with the issues of...
The president has done so many things for the teachers of this country. True or false? Kweli si kweli? Kweli si kweli? Alisema hata polisi ataandika walimu. Hata watu wa prison ataandika walimu. Hata watu wa NYS ataandika walimu. Hata madaktari anaandika nani? That is why he was able to employ 100,000 teachers. So walimu hata niwaulize swali. Kuna serikali kweli inapenda walimu kuliko hii? Kuna
Jotend migao mar arita mapacho kendi Kipchumba Murkomen oyango kanyo e konyo gibembe kotol e wach mar kedo kanyo endo kod kuog moko puodhi e pacho kendi. Weche go bende no sir kanyo lwedo kod jotelo mawuok Mount Kenya mane oyango kanyo e koni gin bende gibiro dhi nyime kod kedo kanyo kod wach go mag kuog moko puodhi pacho ka magi yango ni osekelo midhiero mapek malich maiwuoro e ngima rowere matindo thur kendi. Kanyo loso kanyo gwenge go kuma Nyeri Murkomen oyango kanyo ne pisas magarita mathur kendi mondo koyie to mak lwedo kod migama moko mag sirikal e kedo kanyo endo kod lwenyo mag kuog moko puodhi e Kenya mangima.
Chifu wa hapa wanafanya bidii, wapigieni makofi chifu wa hapa. Na assistant chief wanatia bidii. Lakini wanakuwa frustrated na OCPD ya hapa. Hapa Kayafa hapa na wanakuwa frustrated na CCIO DCI hapa. Tunakutaka kuambia waziri OCPD ya hapa na DCI ubebe utuletee watu wengine ambao wanajua kazi.
DCI, they are in bed with the manufacturers of illicit alcohol and drugs in Nyeri. Na tunakuomba ya kwamba mkubwa wa DCI akubali, tunataka complete overhaul ya DCI kutoka region mpaka wale wako na plain clothes wanatembea katika maeneo zetu.
We will come for you and we will come for you hard. And I want to ask the Inspector General of Police, and I have talked to him, he has to send a special security team wakae hapa wiki 2-3 wakisaka hao wakora mpaka hii sehemu ikuwe safi. Hii sehemu
Jopuonje mag junior secondary mawuok kanyo Tana River obago ng'anyo e boma nindo Mahola ka gidwaro mondo mikoro duol mochung' ne ndiko jopuonje tich e pacho kendi mano Teacher Service Commission mondo koro ndigi tich e yonendo maongirore. Jopuonje go ywak ka giwacho kanyo eko nyalora magitiye ok en mano ma odhi kare ka bende giwacho ni omenda mimiyogi maromo kanyo siling 10,017 ok nyal romo dhiro ngimagi kata mana konyogi e chenro mag mapile ka pile.
This government doesn't even know that this area is a hardship region whereby the only means that you can use is either a motorbike, and can you imagine the amount that you are charged from a place to a place? Accessing services is even worse. What are you even telling us that we should wait for 2 years for our colleagues to be confirmed? Confirm interns like now.
The Court of Appeal declared itself that internship is illegal. And therefore, our colleagues are engaging in an illegal activity. We are rejecting because we are dissatisfied with how the TSC is treating our young colleagues. Corporate power!
We want our interns also to be confirmed because a teacher cannot be paid a stipend of 17K that cannot even sustain a family.
How?
These young women and men are breadwinners of their family. How can they be paid 17,000 and expect them to go to Busia and help their family?
Confirmation of 44,000 interns is not something we should argue with. It is something that must be implemented with immediate effect.
Josiasa kwa mondo koro mito ka giyie giduok chien yet mar siasa ahinya to county nendo ma Kisumu ka achiel kod bende tiyo kanyo endo marach kod rowere matindo. Weche makamagi nowacho kinde nyasi mar iko mar wuon jod bura Maseme mano kon jaduong' Eliud Nyikal.
Ibed about katiman gimoro dhitim. Iwendo mohere oyowije. Nikech ng'ato ka ng'ato nyaka mi thuolo mar uso serane kendo wacho kako dwaro. Kasa ogik to jo Kenya bro yiero jotelo magine mang'owa magine magidwaro. An kaka wuodu kendo achiel kuom joma tiyo ne President Ruto, an gadieri ni ka higa manyien ochopo to kaka jo Kenya mamoko idok yiere mondo omed tiyo, e kaka joseme, e kaka jo Kisumo, kendo e kaka jo Thurwa kaendi bro timore nade, bro yiere for a second term.
The country be peaceful. Let, when we have a function, let there be peace. Do we have to have a large group of people? The large is okay, but they must be large that are peaceful. If they're large and they're following us, we must be able to say no, and they stop. They stop.
I am in what you call term Raila Amolo Odinga, and that's what people don't understand. You are not only term Raila Amolo Odinga, Raila Amolo Odinga has left us with a legacy, and if we want to be good people, we should come together. The one-termers and the two-termers. We must build one ODM, and it is high time. Bishop Kodia here, I talk to you on behalf of the clergy, that please call our senior politicians here. Call Anyang, Professor Anyang, call Orengo, call Oburu, call all these people and sit with Bishop Kodia.
Kapod mana wane kar chung'o bura ndo masema ido kanye koni makukum jo siasa kaunti ma Kisumu owuok oko kendo kwedo malich ma iwuoro lwenya bende neno kinde nyasi mar iko mar wuon jor bura maseme mano kanja duong Eliud Nyikal ka koro gi kwayo kanyo kwe kod achiel mar oganda bende giwuok oko ka kwayo kanyo kanise mondo koyie to mi mondo riwi oganda jo Kenya obed kamoro achiel.
Say is that let me start again, sorry. What I want to say is that Kisumu County has been the foundation of democracy for this country. And it goes all the way back to independence. When independence was being established, it started from Kisumu and went to Nairobi. And so at this particular point, when we are going to be faced with elections in the coming year, what I want to call for is unity. We cannot be, as ODM, be split into different factions. As has been said at the funeral here by the women rep, is that it'll pick. As has been said by the women rep, if we're not united as a people, we're not going anywhere. And we have to look at what it is that we want for the people of the county and for the people of Kenya.
Let us not take it as a show for ourselves.
Okay. Kaka Wodseme achung for Senate 2027 Kisumu County. To gimawana no kae nikecha mabiro iko jaduong Okaka Nyikal mawuon MP marwa mar James Wambura Nyikal. Gik moko wuok kae ma kuom kaka chunya kaka paro kaka jatelo, I don't like it at all. Okonego bedni seche monego bedni wane liel monego bedni tie kwe ma iko jaduong ma odak 104 years mano hero education ni ji biro gi guns ketho nyasi mano gimoro ma ok timre ga iseme kendo gimoro ma okonego bedni wan godo e Kisumu County. Kisumu County chakre mano bedo Kisumu District chon e kuma ne foundation ma democracy. Onego bedni ji bet piny ji bedo gi agenda achiel. Wan kaka jo ODM ma wang'eyo is the largest party. Factions mowuok gieki onego wane kaka wariwre mondo wamanyo telo mar piny e elections mabiro. Wabed united. Kik wabed ni ji opogre ni ng'ato laro koni to agenda onego bedni en achiel. Ok en agenda mar ng'ato ng'iyo mana kore kende. Onego bedni en agenda mar jopiny. Wach mar Senate ni asepare nitie weche ariyo. Mana kaka ung'eyo aja public health and daktari asomo public health wasebedo gi weche mag devolution. Kuma koro wachikoni wach mar policies mag devolution nyaka wang'i motegno. Kik wabedi ni walinga ka weyo ni kaka ji osetiyo kae, Gavana Nyong'o koro ni waonge gi ng'ato Senate molony mong'eyo tich monego tim kaka senator. Ni oversight. Ok en ringe gweng' nyaka wang'i mana kaka Bishop owacho ni pesa madonjo 95 shillings student ka student mano koromo education ma wamanyo. Madiera en ni oganda wa ka pod wan chien. Nyaka wang'i kaka waloso budget motegno. Nyaka wang'i kaka waloso budget motegno, nyaka wabed gi oversight motegno ma counties mekwa timo gik monego gitim.
Zaneno mar Kala TV na mar mondo mi awegi kanyo asingo mar bedo kodi ka ndiko molo kanyo sa par ma midhiambo kama ripota mara ja sasa doyo biro mi walera matut e weche go kuma bende notimore kar chungor burano endo maseme e kinde nyasi endo mar iko mar jaduong Eliud Nyikal. Weche manyen gi ni kelo ni kodano Tracy Uma jaloko marwa en David Abila oriti masani.